Hi everybody, what a fantastic day today. We had a lot of fun learning about the layers of Earth today. Today is Thursday, April 19th. Unfortunately, in 4th block I got pulled into a meeting, so we didn't get to do as much in 4th block, but in 6th block and in 8th block we did do the full lesson. Let's take a look at what we did today. Today is Thursday, April 19th, and it's a B day. Our objective was I can identify Earth's layers and their composition. On our agenda today, we started out with some notes on Earth's layers, and then we moved into the Mantle Plasticity lab. You do have homework tonight, as every night. Your homework is to work on the SOL Week 3 review packet and quizzes online. That's due next Thursday, April 26th. Actually, let me check on that date because I think it might be due on Friday. Yeah, that date is incorrect. Hold on. All right, again, so for homework, your Week 3 assignment is due on Friday, April 27th. Any paper copies are due by the end of the day before I leave. Any electronic work is due by 11:59. You also have the opportunity to fix your quiz grade if you do the river worksheet. That is due on Wednesday, April 25th. And then some of you started the Mantle Plasticity lab in class, but you didn't have time to finish it. You want to make sure that you finish that up and bring it in. That is a 10-point grade. So I'm always talking to you guys about quotes and things that I find inspirational. So I found one that I really thought held true for today. We had a great time in class today. And this quote says, "Stay true to what makes you happy, because that always ends up producing the best result." You all are what make me happy. It makes me so happy to see you all engaged in learning and doing some active learning and just being really happy to be in class and getting something out of what we're doing. So as you move forward, I think I've been starting to feel nostalgic about the seniors going out and starting their new life. So as you move forward in your life, keep this in mind, because you always want to just do what you find interesting, do what you find fun. You want to be disciplined in everything, but if you're feeling like everything is just so hard and terrible every day, you might not be in the right place. So you want to figure out what is the right place for you. So I wanted to also talk to you about the take-home for today's lesson. It was super fun. I'm going to show you a little bit of video in a second about the actual lab that we did. But the whole point of the lab is to say that the cornstarch mixture that we made is like the plastic asthenosphere. Now, the asthenosphere is not really made out of plastic. We're using that word as a characterization. It's plastic-like because it's a solid, but it has some give when you push on it, just like that cornstarch mixture did. Now, on top of that is resting the lithosphere, and those are the tectonic plates that are moving about 2 inches per year all over the surface of the Earth, and we're going to be learning more about those next week. But the really rigid lithosphere is able to move all over the surface of the Earth because the asthenosphere has this property of being plastic-like. So you want to keep all of that in mind. I'm going to sign off for now, but before I go, I want to show you a video clip of the really fun lab that we did in class today, the Mantle Plasticity lab. All right, I'll see you all on Monday. Be safe tomorrow and have a great weekend. Don't forget to do your homework. Always, always do your homework. Hi, it's Miss Motzi in 6th block, and we're modeling the plasticity of the mantle using cornstarch and water. And I just wanted to show you what one of the students did today. Oh darn, everybody's in this. Okay. Look at that. So it's sort of like a solid and it's sort of like a liquid. And this is the modeling the asthenosphere. So it's a part of the mantle that the lithospheric plates, the really rigid plates, are resting on. And the characteristics of it, the plasticity, is what enables the really rugged and rigid crust to move around on top of the asthenosphere.
That looks nasty.
It's a solid and a liquid. It's a sliquid.
Oh, that's nice. That's so good.
Wait a minute. Hey guys.
Are you in it? Can
Yeah.
I see that? And they
We
say,
did this. I did this. I was playing around with this.
nice
Sorry.
Ready?